Hi, this is Michael Nearin. I'm an immigration lawyer and founder of VisaPlace.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about visa refusals. It's not a very happy topic, but it happens all too frequently. Depending upon the kind of visa you apply for, there's always a chance that your visa will be refused, and there's many reasons why. For example, if you apply for a temporary visa, the immigration officer may believe that you are not going to be a genuine visitor, and that you will overstay your status when you come to either Canada or the United States when you apply for a U.S. or Canadian visa. Another reason could be that you could have an immigration history. You've tried applying before and you were refused, and perhaps there was some irregularities on the forms, or even you've been to Canada or the United States in the past and you overstayed your status. There's many reasons why there is a visa refusal. However, the good news is that doesn't mean that's the end of the story. There's always a possibility of reapplying, of providing additional information, of making your case more compelling and getting an approval. Not easy, and we do a lot of visa refusals. Our U.S. team handles the U.S. visa refusals, and our Canadian team handles the Canadian visa refusals, and all types of visas. So just because you got a visa refusal doesn't mean there's not an option for you to get it resolved. The other possibility is an appeal. That's more of an extreme approach, that if you get refused, you can appeal it to the courts. And in some cases that's appropriate, but in most cases a reapplication with additional information and clarification is important. Obviously, the best thing to do is avoid refusals, and how you avoid refusals is to prepare a very strong application before you submit it. And if you have an interview, be prepared for that interview. So hopefully this will give you some confidence and hope that if your visa was refused, there is an out. Doesn't mean 100% of the time you will ultimately be approved, but we do a lot of cases where visas are refused and we get them resolved. So if you need any additional information, feel free to go to our website at www.visaplace.com. Thank you and have a great day.